It's Vegan Wednesday, and somebody's got the sniffles, so we're making chickpea noodle soup for the soul. We're gonna preheat a soup pot over medium-high. Olive oil. Oh, it's not open. Technical difficulties. Olive oil. About like that. Cup of thin sliced carrots. Thin sliced one big yellow onion. Okay. So it's about 10 minutes later. A little longer because obviously my pot wasn't preheated. And you need 2 cloves of minced garlic. I just used the jar and then a little more than I'm supposed to. And then mushrooms. This is 2 8-ounce packages of baby bellas. And I don't really measure things when it comes to herbs and spices unless it's salt. So we just measure with our heart. So celery seeds, rosemary, and thyme. New thyme. Want about twice as much thyme as everything else. And pepper. And then we're going to leave it alone for 5 more minutes. It's been 5 minutes, so now we're going to add a fat pinch of sugar. So many unopened things. 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. Shaky, shaky. Too much coffee. And let that go for just a second. Make sure nothing's stuck to the bottom of the pan. Yeah, that's good. We're going to add a whole 32-ounce box of vegetable stock. One can of chickpeas. And 1 cup of water. And bring it to a boil. Alright, now that it's boiling, we're going to add the noodles. You can use anything you want. I'm using fettuccine, but if you're using something long like this, you want to break it. So you can actually, you don't have to twirl your soup. About 6 ounces of it. Get it in there. Cover it down to medium for 15 minutes. Alright, it's been 15 minutes. The last thing is 1/3 cup of miso paste. I'm using white miso. If you want a stronger flavor, use a stronger miso. And stir it in until it's incorporated and your soup's done.
Vegan Day, Chickpea-Noodle Soup.
For the soul.
For the soul. It's really hot. It's excellent.
All right.
It's a winner.
Good vegan cure for the sniffles?
Yeah.
Okay.